Hello to all of our dear friends in Hyperpix. I'm Mary and today I'm back with one more tutorial video and one more text effect from our Chrome text effect collections. And as you see in the video, we're facing an absolutely realistic product today, and I'm going to show you how you can work with this amazing product and convert your text or your logos just with a single click into this brilliant product and use it in all your different projects. And to download it, just refer to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership so you can have a complete access to this product and all of our other products. So I'm sure you must know that all of our products work excellent on every other single language. As you see, these are the fantastic details of how it works on Japanese. So you don't need to just go with English or Latin. So if you want to use any other language, there's no limits. And also on logos, it works fantastic. So this is the result you see, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can just edit your logos by using this amazing style and have so much fun. So let's just get started to see how we can work with this template. So like all of our other products, we just start with the yellow layer, we right click and select edit content. So in this window which appears right here, we have two texts, so you can just use one or just go with both. So I'm just going to edit both. You can also edit and change the fonts. You're totally free to. Not at the time of the video, we're just going to edit on these texts here. So I'm just going to type hyper here and the second text just like this, and here we go. So I need to just minimize the size of my fonts a little. I'm just going to minimize it with Control and T, and the text at the top also, which if you select the text tools and right click on the text and select warp text, by adjusting the bend, you can give this like wavy arch effect to your text. And the same with the second text, which you can just select the bend and make any changes you have in mind. So I think everything's excellent. I just need to move this a little and it's perfect. Just close and click save. So we just need to wait for our amazing style to get applied and done. Here we're back to our fantastic result. Just check out how beautiful and amazing and professional our text is converted into this brilliant style. So we have our red text right here, which we just need to double click on the text layer and edit. I'm going to just type my ideal text, and fantastic. So I can just drag it and place it wherever I want, or I could just change the color from this section right here and go with any color you have in mind. So honestly, you have all the customizing options, which is brilliant. So we're done here, and the text at the top is just left, which you can just double click and type whatever you want instead. I'm not going to get into the details. So if you want to have a transparent, just switch off the background layer. And here we go, we have this amazing transparent easily, and it allows you to use the result on any project you want by just getting a PNG outcome, and it's fantastic. So as we promised earlier on, now we're going to try this amazing style on a logo. So let's go see how this template is going to work on a logo. So we come back right to this window at first, and I'm going to insert my logo into Photoshop now. So we just drag our logo, and I'm going to use this Harley Davidson logo. I just drag and right in the center. We don't need our text, we just remove them. So make sure if the logo is right in the center, everything's perfect and fit. So we don't need to do anything extra. Just close the windows and select save, and just wait a moment, and here we go. This is our perfect and magnificent result. We just removed the extra text, just switch them off, so our logo is shown finally, and brilliant. So this is our amazing style. I'm sure you agree with me. Again, one more time, you can switch off the background and the logo, and also have a brilliant transparent logo. So the result is absolutely stunning and eye-catching, as you saw how easy and fast you can have your logos transparent. I hope you enjoyed watching this product and this video. So to download and access right now, just refer to hyperpix.net, join the VIP account, The address is in the description. You can just check out every single of our products, and if you like them, join and also use our weekly updates and have so much fun. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Bye till one more video from Mary.